Good morning everybody. Today let us make calzones with stuffing of macaroni and vegetable for breakfast. This is going to be a very yummy breakfast, but you will need some time to make it because this is a baked dish. Now first of all, refer to my bread making video and I will just tell you what all ingredients we have used. I have taken 2.5 small cup of maida, that is self-raising flour, and then I have taken 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt as per taste, and I have taken 1 teaspoon of dry instant yeast. That is what I always use because you can directly put it into the dough. Now take 1 cup of warm milk or take 1 cup of warm water or half milk half water, it is up to you as you are comfortable with, and 1 tablespoon of oil, ghee or butter, and knead the flour. So this is how it is. You can make it softer, keep on adding water if you want, but it should be warm, not hot, and knead it. You can use half wheat flour, half maida. You can also use almond flour, you can use any other flours that are available in the market, and half maida. Maida gives it that softness, so I prefer to use maida a little bit also. Around 30 to 40% maida I do use. Now the kneading process to make bread is pull, stretch and roll. First you pull the dough, then you stretch it and then you roll it. But be gentle on the dough, don't beat it. Be gentle but keep on kneading until you start feeling the texture has softened up. Then you cover the dough for at least 1 hour and let it rise. Now for the filling, today I am going to make calzones with macaroni and vegetable. So this recipe also I am going to follow, that is what I had made previously. You can see the video. I will just tell you what all I have used. For making the vegetable macaroni, you can refer to the video that I have put up on YouTube. First of all, steam the vegetables. I have taken only peas, carrots and potato. Cut them small, wash them, add little bit of water, little salt and black pepper and boil it. And in the meantime, you can boil a few macaroni pieces along with pasta in water, and add little salt as well as a spoon of oil to it. When it boils, you drain it and pass it through cold water so that they become very nice and don't stick to each other. Now mix up everything, make white sauce, mix that up, add cheese, spread and grate some cheese over it or add some cheese slice. Add salt, pepper, red chili powder, then sweet and sour chili garlic sauce and cheese spread. So this is the vegetables that I am going to use as stuffing. Please refer to my previous video, you will see it over there, the whole recipe. I have added little green chili, 2 green chilies I have chopped and added, and I have added coriander leaves also chopped. Now this is ready for the filling. When the dough is double the size, knead it for another 5 minutes and then cut it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. I could cut only 5 pieces with the cutter like this. Now let us make the calzones. Roll out with the rolling pin like a roti and then fold the sides. This side, this side. Fold the sides. Now let us put the filling in the center. I have put the filling. Now let us place 1 cheese slice in the center and then fold it. Placed half cheese slice in the center. You can even grate cheese if you want. If you don't want to use the slice, you can grate cheese. Now let us fold it. Apply some water to the edges and then fold it. I have folded it from all the sides and close the edges nicely so that it doesn't open up when it is in the oven, and keep it in a greased tray. I have greased it with oil. You can add butter, ghee, whatever, and place this on the tray. I have made 4 like this, like pockets, and one I have made into a crisscross. Pull out a roti, cut from both the sides, keep the centers for the vegetable filling, and now crisscross fold them like a plait. First fold both the sides, the top and the bottom, and then start crisscrossing like this. Like this. Place them on a baking tray, and now sprinkle some sesame seeds and then put little oil on top or butter on top. Brush it with a brush or some milk. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and have brushed some oil on it. Now I'll cover it for 10 minutes. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees temperature for 20 minutes. Do the setting, and then once it is warm in 5 to 7 minutes, place this tray inside the oven. Keep it in the center section of the center portion of the oven. There are 3 sections in the oven. I've placed it in the center one. After 10 minutes, let us turn the side of the indicator. This is now the top. Another 10-12 minutes, leave it like this. After 20 minutes, 10 minutes on both sides, the calzones are looking perfect, absolutely done. But I want them little more crispy, so I will reduce the temperature to 180 degrees and keep it for another 5 minutes. 20 minutes are up, so let us put off the oven now. My very tasty, delicious, yummy breakfast is ready. Calzones, in which the filling is of pasta and macaroni. Absolutely delicious with vegetables, with cheese and white sauce. You're going to love it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment, subscribe to my channel and let me know how they are. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Serve this hot for breakfast. Your family is going to love it. It is absolutely yummy. You can serve it with chutney. You can serve it with green chutney or with tomato chutney or मूंगफली के दाने की चटनी or with tomato ketchup simply or with the chili garlic sauce or Szechuan sauce. It is very yummy. There is no need for chutney actually, but in case you want little chatpata, you can serve it with chutney. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel. Love you all. God bless you.